This soft, fuzzy chocolate muffin made with lentils. Yes, it's real. And its taste incredible. This lentil muffin is not just healthy or delicious, but perfect for sweet tooth too, or if you are really into fitness. This recipe needs simple ingredients and mostly available in every household. So let's make it.